My name is Pradeep Rao and I am working with Acumen Medtech Pvt, Bangalore. We are a company manufacturing medical devices and supplying to leading hospitals and healthcare centers in India. We have our manufacturing unit in Jodhpur and Yelahanka, and our office is in Nagasundara, Bangalore. And this is a brief introduction about ourselves. And with respect to Mahindra, we have been associated with Mahindra for about the last 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. We have 4 Gensets from Mahindra, and it has been a very satisfying experience. So the Gensets are in our factories as well as in our office. It's put to full good use. Since the time we have got in touch with Mahindra, sending them our requirements, they have been very proactive and they have come and visited the facilities, checked the power requirements, checked what is required, actual use, how it will be, where will we be using it, and they have done a complete study before even sending us the proposal, which I feel is very professional, because generally people just tend to ask the customers what they want and they send it. So we have never had to call them and ask them this is due. So I think they have a good ERP system in place, I presume. So they have been coming over regularly and servicing. The build quality is pretty good. It works fine, noiseless, and of course the newer Gensets, the CPCBIV norms, if I'm not mistaken, that's what we have taken. And yes, it has been a good experience with Mahindra. We are very happy with their Gensets, and I'm sure with any future requirements we will surely come back to them. So we have a good relationship with them. So that's from our side. Thank you so much.